Wagwan family, welcome back to the 876 Zone TV. It's me, Anisha, and the video, well, there's not a video for this song because this song is relatively new. So we'll be listening to KSI Really Love, and this one features Sean Paul. It's a song by Craig David and Digital Farm Animals. Weird. So this is a remix. So we're going to jump in the video and hear what's going on with this song. So let's do this.
KSI. Is it really love? Is it all in my mind? Is it crazy? I think of you all of the time, baby. Is it really love?
You can hear Sean Paul in it already with the Buddha bang bang bang.
Can you give me a sign? Cause I'm losing my head trying to make it right.
Is it really love if you don't go all out for the fire? 100% of the loving when we give, but you don't got the desire. Cannot ever be love if you don't make the person feel higher. Reach and touch for the sky, and the eternal love not carry no liar. That's why that it not play no game. It's a shame if you ever try to.
Pause. Me no know any song Sean Paul on is featured on, the song just automatically just sound better. I'm not being biased because it's Sean Paul and he's Jamaican. I'm not being biased, but for real, any song Sean Paul come on, the song sound good. When the man come on Stylogy Dumpling, the man section, yo, me na pum pum until me know the whole of the man lyrics. You understand? Me na steadily pum pum until I me know the whole of the man verse. So you know what I say when I say bars. Alright, back to the song.
Man lay, while animal just cannot be tamed. Me the pain or gain, me no give her me name. Is it gonna come to the point where you want to see a big man cry? I'ma tell you, this baby girl, I'ma love you right down to the wire. Straight.
Yeah, bars.
Really love? Is it all in my mind? Is it crazy? I think of you all of the time, baby. Is it really love? Can you give me a sign? Cause I'm losing my head trying to make you mine. Is it really love?
That song you have this feel like a club vibe. The beat of it have this club vibe to it, and you feel like that song couldn't be the soundtrack to a movie or one anime. God no.
Is it all in my mind? Is it crazy? I think of you all of the time, baby. Is it really love? Can you give me a sign? Cause I'm losing my head trying to make you mine.
Got a lot of time for the one that I'm watching. I'm in prime if you wanna get something. No Valentine, but my heartbeat pumping. Now the room pumping. Got plenty views if you hang around me. So many hearts if you
Club vibes. That's what I'm getting from this club vibes.
see the IG. So many times by the people that I raced in my record look great like Muhammad Ali. I'm trying to get wavy. On holiday, I'm one of this daily. That's great when he's wearing that paisley. Still great cause my living now pays me. Don't cook for my chef like Ainsley. No looked in when I'm shooting my baby. Top striker, I'm hardly missing. New car, so we need to christen. Listen.
Definitely liking the vibe of this song. For real.
Down, but enough's enough. I ain't really used to this thing called love, but I ain't never doing it that I'm feeling so vulnerable. So whatever you decide, let me know what's the vibe, cause I'm losing my head trying to make you mine. Oh, is it really love? Is it all?
Me I know the chorus already, and we just listen to the song. Is it really love?
Is it crazy? I think of you all of the time, baby. Is it really love? Can you give me a sign? Cause I'm losing my head trying to make you mine. Is it really love? Is it all in my mind? Is it crazy? I think of you all of the time, baby. Is it really love? Can you give me a sign? Cause I'm losing my head trying to make you mine. Oh.
The song done already. I'm just getting a vibe of this song. That was nice. It was nice. Really like that. Then just give Sean Paul one verse in the song, just as the song start get nice. But it's nice. I like it. So there you go, guys. KSI Really Love featuring R3HAB Sean Paul, Craig David, and Digital Farm Animals. I guess this is a remix. So like I said, there's no actual music video for this remix yet. I just the song me I listen to, and it was suggested by a subscriber to take a listen. So I said okay, no problem, and I like it. It has a club vibe, and like me say, it sound like that song it couldn't be a soundtrack to a movie, or you know, like a fantasy movie or a game or an anime or something like that. So yeah, I really like it. I watched the actual music video for it, and I have to be honest, this remix sounds better than the original to me. So yeah, that's my 2 cents on that. So once again, KSI, really love, featuring Sean Paul, Craig David, and Digital Farm Animals. Yeah, I really like it. So once again, guys, thank you guys for joining me for this video review. Like up the thing, comment punishing the thing, share the thing, and make we build the thing. Alright, so once again, thank you guys again for joining me. I'm Anisha. Thank you for joining. I'm out.